Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to publish your Google form. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms, and once you do open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So this is the home page where we can get started. First things first, in top right corner, we're going to go ahead and log into our Google account. If you do not already have one, you can sign up for a new one. And once you have logged in, normally you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started creating a new form. As you can see right here, we have our recent forms that we can create it right here. We can take a look at the list and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, how do you publish a form that you have created? First things first, create your form. If you do not already have a form, you can just click the plus button right here. This is going to enable you to get started creating a form. You can give it a name, a description, and so on. And once you save it, it's going to go ahead and be opened up right here in your recent form. So I can open up my form. As you can see, I have a tutorial form for a video that I had created, and now I can get started publishing it. So basically guys, once you have set up everything in your form, such as your name, you have your questions right here, all the options, and you are ready for it to be public so that people can be accessing it, this is how to do it. Basically just click the publish button in the upper right corner. By clicking publish, this is going to enable you to go ahead and select what kind of publish manage option you want. You can go ahead and select anyone with the link, or you can go ahead and make it private, and so on, depending which option you want. And once you're satisfied, you can click publish right here. That's going to enable you to publish the form, and anybody with a link or however you set it up will be able to access it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.